as you're coming, would you repeat your question?
Just like that idea, people say, tip first, and then,
first. Yeah. So that's really skillful, because what it's telling you to do is there is a certain degree of tilt, shifting your pelvis that needs to happen here, deepening the front of your hip crease. You can certainly overdo it, but there is a certain amount of shifting that needs to happen. And with Trikonasana, which is different than side angle pose, you want to keep more length on the underside of your torso as you come down. So you tip your torso. Also, keep some engagement here as you tip the torso. Then you'll lower the hand down, and then the second question was the gaze. Because I always orient towards safety, you can look forward, you can look down, you can look up. And I very much encourage you to make that choice, and encourage students to do that too. Traditionally, the gaze is up. That might not feel good on your neck. If it doesn't, make a different choice. Does that make sense? Yeah.